Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is What's Cooking on YouTube. So, I tried to make this cheesy bread the other day and I was messing up and not hitting record and all that other good stuff. So, here it comes. We're going to turn the camera around and I'm going to get you down in here and show you what I got so far and what we're going to do from here. So, come on. Alright, don't mind the mess. It looks like this during the week. So, I took my pizza dough. You can do this however big or however small you want. I've got a small oven, so I have to make it fit in here. Alright, so just stretch it out. And I guess the longer you let this dough sit, the better it will stretch. So from here, what I'm going to do is try to fix these corners. Alright. I'm going to start with some mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to spread my mozzarella cheese all the way to the corners. Alright. Alright, so once you got this like this, now you're going to take this and you're going to fold it over like this. Okay, so it's nice and stuffed. Try to move this in here. Stick this in here. All right, so need a new tripod. All right, so from here, cut it into slices. Okay. I'm going to take this piece out of there. All right. So we got to cut it into slices. Now you're going to take a little bit of cheddar. I didn't care for the cheddar. I didn't care for the cheddar. The first time I did this, I did it just with mozzarella. The second time I did it with the cheddar, and I didn't like it as much, but we're just going to coat this whole top with it. Okay. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of cheese. That's why they call it cheesy bread. Get with it, people. Alright, so now you're going to put this in the oven 425 degrees for like 15 minutes. Now in a saucepan, you can do butter or you can do whatever kind of oil you want. I'm going to use a half a stick of butter. And I'm also going to do some, mix it with some olive oil. I don't know why I did it this way the first time and it came out great, amazing. I loved it. So we'll just let this melt down. Alright, so this butter is just about melted. We're going to go ahead and put some Parmesan cheese in there. We're going to throw some garlic powder in there. This is what we're going to be brushing on top of it. A little bit of garlic powder. Do some oregano. That's enough. And some parsley. Alright. Stir that all up. Turn this heat off now. I'm not trying to cook nothing. We're just melting and warming up. Alright. Taste it. I'm telling you, the Parmesan and the butter, it makes the difference. I'm going to put a little bit more Parmesan in there. Alright. Perfect. So I'm going to take this off the heat. Now, if you want to dip it, you could dip it in sauce and stuff like that. You can heat up some pizza sauce or whatever you want. All right, ovens vary. Obviously, the cheese I got on here burnt, but that's no big deal. All right, so ovens vary. So I said 15 minutes, but you want to go 10 to 15 minutes. This was in for 10 minutes. So now, you're going to take your mixture that you made, and you want to stir it up because everything settles to the bottom, and just brush it. Brush all that goodness on there. However much or however little you want. Sometimes I'll dip it in sauce, sometimes I'll dip it in this stuff. Alright. Okay. Okay, how awesome does that look? Then you just pull it. Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, if you like Dominoes, you're gonna love it. If you've never had Dominoes, you gotta try it because it's amazing. I'm going to eat now. Thanks for watching, everybody.